Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and today in this lecture we are going to discuss on the stateful component. We already discussed on what is component, we already discussed on what is stateless component. If you're not watched these videos, please do one thing, go and watch these videos. Okay, other if you want to start from this video, you can start from this video also. Okay, so guys, we need to first thing is very important, we need to know what is component. Okay, so we already know all the things about the component. Okay, let's get started from this, the stateful component. Okay, so guys, as you can see, as you know, this index.js file will run firstly, and this app component will become a root component, and this will run first. And this is rendering. I'm actually using, sorry, not rendering, actually I'm using component, and in this component I'm using another one component. So this parent component is taking care of this child component. Okay, so as you can see in this is what, this is the functional based component, right? So this is, you can see the arrow function here, and this is a function. Okay, I don't want to use like this, the arrow function here. I want to use like particular, like I want to use stateful component. So stateful is what? Stateful is, it's mean we should have some states. Okay, so states should have some of the values. Okay, so values will be in the key and value pair. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we need to know if we are talking about the stateful component. So if we have a state, so we should have the class also. So we need to use like class, and put it some name here like call. Okay, and like we need to inherit some property here, so extends some of the component, but we don't have right now. So just put like this component, and simply write component, and inside this class we should have some of the properties. So we need to use like this constructor, we need to use props, inside this we need to use props. Okay, and simply this dot state. Oh, so okay, so we need to know about the states also, but okay, so we need to render, we need to use the render function. This is the function actually, and we need to return some of the UI, right? Simplest thing. Okay, so this is the state, this is the class, this is you are inheriting, you're extending the property of component from React package, right? So you are returning some of the UI. So I'm gonna return h1 UI, sorry, h1, so putting like hello world, and okay, simple. Okay, simple. Okay, so just simple, I'm gonna show you like hello world here. You can see here hello world mu sigma classes. You can see here hello world mu sigma classes. Okay, and now I want to use like this state here. So let's say I have a state name property, name like my name is Piyush. So this Piyush, how to use this state in my JSX. I will discuss more about the JSX, what is JSX. So but for a demonstration, you just understand what I'm trying to use here. If you're not familiar with the JSX, don't worry about it, we'll cover in the next subsequent tutorials. Okay, so this dot state dot name here, just use like this. You can see here hello world Piyush, you're getting the hello world Piyush. If I will change like Bajpayee, then you can see the reflection of the UI here. Okay, so you can see this is changing. Okay, why? Just because of I'm changing in this state here, right? Okay, cool. So this is as similar as React Native also. If you already used in React Native, so this is very simple for you. Okay, so hello world, and then you can see this is state. Okay, So thank you so much guys watching this video, and this is, as you can see, this is the this is the class based component, like this is the stateful component, and you are this is the child component and this is the parent component, and the parent component is the functional based component. So as you can see, you can make like the functional based component as the parent component, and you can make a functional based component as a child component, or you can say you can make the class based component or the stateful component as a child component inside the functional based component. Okay, so you can use anything, like you can make the parent component as a parent component as a stateful component also. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you are clear with it. And if you're not clear, if you're getting some problems, or if you're getting some confusion in it, please comment down in the comment section. I will definitely talk to you. I will definitely make a solution if you're getting errors, or if you're getting something, if you are stucking from like on anything. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.